Hey, guess who's finally out of prison? That's right, it's me. It's Prison Mike. I'm back to the YouTube streets and I'm ready to hustle. Let's get into today's NFT game, which is Sunflower Land. Now, you might remember Sunflower Farm. I think that's what it was called. Well, this one is Sunflower Land. That's right. So, pretty much Sunflower Farm, if any of you remember, I would assume so, because a lot of new subscribers came from that video, broke Polygon, and it broke the game, and then the game broke itself because the token ate shit, right? So they remade everything. They released a new token. They released a new game. This is the open beta now, and everyone can join. I think you have to be in their Discord, which I might link in the description. I might not. Who knows? I might forget what I'm doing by the end of this video. But let's have a look at the game, and then let's have a look at the white paper and see what we're at. So for now, I just logged into the game. Everything got transitioned. Oh shit. Everything got Okay, wait. This is my... it's some crazy bitch. Hold up. Alright, so where was I? Oh yeah, so basically I just logged in, connected my wallet, and all the tokens that I previously had and the NFTs and shit got transferred, so you don't have to do anything if you played the game before. You do have to have one Matic to start out, because you have to donate one Matic and shit. Let's check how to play, right? Okay, not this one. Okay, not this one either. Block. What? Visit the phone. Okay. Yeah, sure, craft food. So you have to craft food for goblins and shit. Anyway, okay, so anyway, you just log in, you sync your wallet, you donate one Matic, and you should be able to play. So if I go to, so first of all, the map, quite a lot bigger. There's a lot more shit that they're also, what's the word, alluding to? Like, you know, more map stuff. You got a mine over here somewhere. Oh yeah, which can't be used yet, but hey, probably in the future. And you got your stones and your shit for the pickaxe and stuff, and you got a frog. You got a frog. Okay, so shop. Here's where you buy your shit. Apparently they're all unlocked. You don't have to level up anymore. I don't know if this is gonna stay like this or if it's gonna, you know, you have to unlock it as you level up. Which one did they say is the best one? I have no clue. Okay, so I don't think you can... Oh yeah, you can sell all of it. The token is not out yet. Before we had SFF token, now we have SFL token, which isn't out, which is going to be out on the 15th on 8th of April, I think. If I don't know where I saw that, but I saw it somewhere. Alright, okay, sure, whatever. Oh yeah, this is where I saw it. So, on the 15th of April, you'll be able to withdraw the tokens. Till then, you can plant and harvest and shit, and you will get either seeds or the token, and then you can trade it. I don't know, there's a wishing well. Throw tokens at the well and make a wish. No thanks. You have a kitchen, this is where you make your food. I don't know what the fuck it is for, but we'll find out. Oh, you can have some flags. For some reason, it's 50 ass tokens and 10 wood. I ain't buying that shit. But let's get into the actual game. All right. So the farming game, I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm guessing it's pretty much basically like last time. So I can just yeah, take my farms. I don't know. Wait. Okay, so I collect all of them, and then I have to sell them, right? Yeah. So it's not automatic. Before you just collect it and it got automatically added. So let's see if I sell let's go with a carrot. Let's go with this. Sell one. Should get 0.6. Ah, okay. Got added to it. Sure. Alright. Yeah, so as you can see, the balance is added, and then you'll be able to withdraw once on the 15th of April to your wallet. Until then, I guess, how do you... Okay, what's that? Do I have to... Oh, wait. You have to buy the seeds. Okay. So, gameplay pretty self-explanatory, the same as last time. You know, this takes 1 minute, this takes 5 minutes. Takes an hour. I'm gonna put some 8-hour cauliflowers. So I'm by 10. It's 0.3. I don't know. I'll just buy 20. So as you can see, everything is instant now, and it's on the game platform, their server, which saves every 30 seconds on the game server, so not on the Polygon network. If you want to do that, you have to click save, I think, or sync on chain. I think actually sync on chain. So it syncs all the tokens and NFTs that you made. Now before in the game you have to do it every 25 minutes, I think, or half hour or some shit like that. Now it does it automatically every 30 seconds, and you just have to sync it. I think you can leave it for like, you know, a whole day or two, or as long as you want, and then when you want to sync it to the chain, you can just do it then. I think that's how it works. Alright, so let me go plant some shit. Alright, so I got this. Oh, you can select them from here. Oh, and I got a chicken too. I'm gonna do something with that. Alright, so I'm gonna put a bunch of cauliflowers. I paid 6 tokens for all this shit. So we're gonna see. Come on, man. I really need 2 more. Alright, so 6.6 tokens. I'm gonna see in 8 hours if that's the same. It just doubles what you had. Where do I put my chicken? I put them in here. Cow, pig. Oh, so we're gonna have some more animals. Obviously, you can build your buildings. How do I put my? Where's my chicken? Is my chicken here? What's happening? Put him in. Why is he locked? How do I unlock him? Doesn't matter right now. What else did I not look at? Of course, here is where you craft your pickaxes and shit. And what are these? Ooh, damn. So I know the tools before, they were like one use only, right? So you make the tool, you use it once, and then it disappears. I don't know if these boys stay forever. I would hope so. I guess those are the ones that do stay, probably. Who's this guy? Something looks different about these trees. Okay, no one cares. You got this boy where you can check the supply. So the total supply of the token now is 500,000, right? So how it was working in the last game and is working in this one as well. Once it gets to 5 million, so when people play and they keep minting tokens and all that shit, instead of the cauliflower, for example, costing 0.3, or how much does it cost? Instead of costing 0.3, it's gonna cost half of it, and it's also gonna return half of it, right? And so on and so forth. And right, you have your levels as well, your tool levels. You can put a name, I guess. I'm level 2 to unlock a skill. Ooh, and you have skills, which is also new, and I don't know what they are, but I can sure check to know the secret. Growing wheat. Okay, so you can learn how to grow wheat if you give this boy a pie, which you can make here, but you need 60 ass fucking radishes or whatever that is. I got some soup and shit, but he don't want that, so sure, whatever. This guy's taking a bath. Cool. Anything else? Alright, so map wise, I don't think there's anything new. You can fish. I don't know where the fish are. I don't have a rod either, so I can't try. But basic bullet points, bigger map, more shit to do. You got farms. I think you can unlock more. I don't know how. In the last one, you just upgraded your whole shit, and you got another farm. But I don't see that here. We got the white paper. And that's about it. Gameplay, same shit. If you haven't played the version before, just check out my other video, and it's basically the same gameplay, I think, besides the saving and destroying Polygon network. And yeah, it's pretty shit. It's pretty good. It's not pretty shit. Alright, so basically game same, big map, token come out on 15. Let's have a look if we find something new here. Yeah, plant the earth, sure, blah blah blah. Looking for sunflower farmers. Okay, sure. No, we already covered this. Tokenomics, I think it's the same. Yeah, natural supply and demand. So these are the levels, right? 100k, and then we're at here right now. No, wait, we're over. we're here right now. So I also have sunflower. How much did you get? What? So this is one sunflower, and then you get the whole idea, and it goes up to I think just billions as far as it goes, and then after every 10 million tokens, half again. That's insane. Right, the game supports 50 rare collectibles and NFTs. Right, so if you buy those NFTs and rare collectibles, it just burns the token, which also makes it more scarce, I guess. Sure, secondary markets. Yeah, Wishing Well. The Wishing Well is a gamified version where the liquidity provides a reward for playing the game. You can read more about that. Okay, so it's basically LP, I guess. There was no pre-sale payment of the token instead of game. Yeah. Roughly every 2 hours, 2 to 3 days, players need to sync their off-chain progress on chain in order to replenish the stocks of seeds and tools for purchase. Currently, the sync fee is but for resources in game, for instance, the sync provides 40 radish seeds. Oh, then the updated radish has a minimum. Wait, so if you sync it, you get radish seeds or some shit? So it should stay at 0.1 Matic. Yeah. Process implement total supply blah 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 blah. Sure. Okay. Let's see some frequently asked questions. No, it's not live yet. Yeah, you need to pay that much. Can you earn tokens in beta mode? Yes, any sunflower land token that are farmed during beta will be transferred to the blockchain. So even if you play now, when on the 15th the actual game comes out, you know, you'll get to keep everything. Yeah, working on it. Yeah, everything. Yeah. All right. So that basically covers it. They have the roadmap. Oh yeah, and you can't use more accounts now. So in the first game, once it got out and everyone got onto it, people made like fucking 300 accounts to farm as fast as possible. Also fucking with the tokenomics and probably had a role in causing the token to crash. So now you can only have one account. So don't fuck around with multiple accounts. You can have more accounts in the same household if they're connected to different Discord profiles, because once you log into the game and you add your wallet and you donate and shit, you have to connect to your Discord as well. I think that's just while the open beta is going on. Once it releases, maybe not, but I think they do keep it though. So, you know, they can control botting and multiple accounts and shit like that. So, yeah, that's about it. As you can see on the map, there's a lot of new shit that they are planning on doing, and I hope this time around the game does stick around, because it's pretty chill. I love these graphics, and a lot of people also do, and you know, you just plant your shit, man. It's good old Farmville from Facebook in 2014, man. It's you know, these kind of games are good if they don't get fucked in the ass by botters and you know, tokenomics. But I think that covers about all of it, right? I made shitty jokes. I talked about getting fucked in the ass. That seems like a pretty normal video of mine. Yeah, see you in another 3 weeks, I guess. Oh, and before I go, let me try to sync one time to see what it is, what it do, and see if I get some radishes, or if that's just a myth. Yes, by the. Alright, so the fee is 0.13. I have been lied to. Alright, so let's see if we get some radishes, or whatever fuck. And if you get it on the first sync only, or on every sync. But yeah, you need to do it every 2 or 3 days. I guess. I don't know what happens if you leave it more. On the blockchain, secure. Yay! I did it! Where's my shit? Where's my shit? I ain't got nothing. Okay, so that was another fucking lie. Alright, I don't know what that is all about. Maybe you have to... In the last game, you had a little chest that you can claim every 3 days. I don't see no chest here. Alright. Okay, well, we'll put a pin in that. But, again, that's about it. What is this guy doing? Why are you loving the tree? What are these guys doing? This guy's fucking hyper. Okay, yeah, I'm just, oh, there's a duck. Hello, little duck. What are you looking at? Why can't I click on it? There's a shark. Holy, little frog, get the fuck out of there. This guy's in the water with the shark. What is wrong with you, bro? I wonder if I can use a fishing pole on the shark. Alright, bro, see ya. It's the end of the video.